Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate Hebbars kitchen, full guide. Start by gathering 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons cocoa, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 50 g chocolate. Warm the milk gently over medium heat while whisking cocoa and sugar until smooth. Add chopped chocolate and stir until melted and glossy, then simmer for 2 minutes to meld flavors. Whisk cocoa and sugar into a smooth paste before any milk touches it, then slowly pour in warm milk while whisking constantly. Keep heat medium-low so the mixture never boils, which preserves silky texture. Once chocolate is melted and combined, simmer briefly for flavor development, then remove from heat and taste for sweetness adjustments with a bit more sugar or a dash of vanilla. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life and makes timers, music, and voice control easy while you cook. It fits neatly on a countertop and keeps your hands free for stirring and pouring. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Serve hot chocolate in warmed mugs to keep it cozy, then crown with whipped cream, marshmallows, or a dusting of cocoa. For flavor twists, stir in a pinch of cinnamon, a drop of vanilla, or a little chili for heat. Swap chocolate types to adjust sweetness and richness, and consider a splash of cream for extra silkiness when serving to guests or enjoying solo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.